Everybody get rid of hiccups these days. I always used to just put my head upside down and drink water. It's not working for my kids, and I certainly can't tell my 1-year-old to do that. I have this Hickaway. I just remember that I got it. I saw it on that really popular show where people go in and sell their inventions to billionaires. It's developed by a doctor, and it's supposed to get rid of hiccups, so we're gonna put it to the test. All you have to do is put it in a shallow glass of water and drink from the straw. It activates the vagus nerve, which is apparently in charge of hiccups. Okay, it actually worked. It actually worked. If you have hiccups or your kids always get hiccups and you can't get them to go away and it's driving you crazy, y'all check out this Hickaway. I think it's on a flash sale right now. It worked for us.